Hey there. Today I'm going to show you an improvement that we did on getting inside an event that is protected with guest lists. From the observation that we have seen on the different events that run on Veertly, there were always issues with the private and unique access links that are sent by email to the different guests. So we decided to improve this process. And how we did it? You can now, if you are an authorized guest inside the event, log in with your email and automatically enter into the event without the need to wait for the personal link on your email. So let's just try it. On this event here, you can see that now I have the join event button, even if it's a guest list only event. So I can log in. It only works if you log in with a valid email. So either Google or sign in with email. If you sign in as a guest, it doesn't work because it cannot verify you, and you can see that I'm automatically inside the event without the need to use my personal access link. So let's just see if it still works, the personal access link. Open on a new tab, and you see that there is already someone that is connected on this with this link. That was another observation that we see, that people open the links on different devices, then when they try to access on the computer, they cannot enter. So we decided to add this button. It allows to open the event in this session on this browser, so that the previous session, if it was connected, it will be disconnected. You can see sometimes there's a concurrency issue, so you just click again and you will be inside the event. And you can see that the previous one is already disconnected, and if you want, you can open also on the previous one, and then the other one is disconnected. So you can play around, but you can always enter inside the event if you have the link. I hope this will improve the process on accessing via guest list on your events. So as always, tell us what are the bottlenecks and issues that you are facing on your events, and we will improve it. Thank you very much, and looking forward to your feedback.